Welcome to our latest offering here in Eagle Creek, Lake Nona's leading country club community. I'm Andre Kressler with Kressler Real Estate, and today I'd like to introduce you to this 5-bedroom and 3.5 bath pool home. As soon as you enter, you will immediately notice that no detail has been missed in this model home. The kitchen is open to the living and dining room and features high-end Bordeaux wood cabinetry. This gorgeous chef kitchen is a showstopper, optimal for entertaining, and sets the stage for gourmet meals. Fully equipped with top appliances, center island, and granite countertops. The first floor master retreat is designed for dreaming with ample closet space. Keep everyone out of your hair while you fix yours in the master ensuite with separate shower and bathtub. Upstairs you will find the remaining 4 bedrooms and an additional den. Just imagine spending your days and evenings hanging out by your resort-style pool overlooking the Eagle Creek golf course. Even your pool furniture is going to love it here. Behind the gates at Eagle Creek, you can enjoy amenities including a championship golf course, lounge with restaurant, clubhouse, fitness center, resort-style pool, tennis and basketball courts. The top-rated Lake Nona schools are within walking distance. Medical City and Boxy Park are only minutes away. Wow, endless amenities here at Eagle Creek, and a home this outstanding will not last long. Hurry to give us a call and schedule your private showing today.